Manipur is a state in northeast India with the city of Imphal as its capital. It bounded by the Indian state of Nagaland to the north, Mizoram to the south, and Assam to the west. It also bordered two regions of Myanmar, Sagaing region to the east and Chin state to the south. The state covers an area of 22,327 square kilometer, 8,621 square, and has a population of almost 3 million, including the Metis, who are the majority group in the state.
Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Manipur. Agriculture sector contributed a major share to the total state domestic produce and provide employment to about 22.13% according to 2011 census of the total workers in Manipur.
Lotak Lake is one of the most famous tourist attractions in Manipur, located 53 kilometers from Impal, considered as one of the famous Lotak in India. Lotak boasts of circular floating swamp, which is locally called from there. Central islands of Manipur is situated around the lake and is spread over 300 square meters, which makes it popular for boating, picnic, and photography. It also supplies for water irrigation and hydel power to nearby areas.
The climate of Manipur is moderate. Climate in the western part of the state is tropical, whereas the rest part of the state experiences subtropical climate with distinct summer, winter, and rainy season. Average annual rainfall range from 120-50 mm to 2,700 mm. Uttar Pradesh, meaning Central Province, is a state in central India. Its capital is Bhopal and the largest cities Indore with Ujjain, Jabalpur, Gwalior, Sagar being the other major cities. Madhya Pradesh is the second largest Indian state by area and the fifth largest state by population with over 72 million residents.
Madhya Pradesh, with its large area, enjoys diverse climate and soil conditions suitable for a broad range of agricultural products. Madhya Pradesh leads in the production of gram, linseed, green pea, garlic, and coriander. The state is also a major producer of linseed, mustard, sunflower, and safflower. Madhya Pradesh has a subtropical climate with three distinct seasons: winter December to February, summer March to May, and the rainy season June to October. In winter, the mean minimum temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, though it can drop as low as 1 degree Celsius and rise to mean maximum temperature of 25 degrees Celsius.
Topic: Madhya Pradesh tourist place. Get information about this topic. Panchamari, also known as Satpura Ki Rani, is a hill station in the central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. It many waterfalls, Apsara Bihar with its Salampur and soaring single drop silver fall nearby. Second was a famous tourist place in Madhya Pradesh, Khajuraho. The Khajuraho group of movements are a group of Hindu and Jain temples in Chhatarpur district, Madhya Pradesh, India, about 175 kilometers